This your girl Jay Lene, and this is another hair tutorial, yay! And I'm going to be doing a fox hawk. You're going to be needing some bobby pins, hair ties, gel, a comb, and also some rubber bands for this look. I'm going to spray my hair with the Cheek Keratin leave-in conditioner. You know how I am on keeping your hair moisturized, especially when you are using this synthetic hair. You do not want your hair to be itchy. You don't want it to fall out. So I'm just going to brush my hair really quickly, make sure it's easy for me to part. Make sure to start from the bottom and work your way up when brushing. Do not follow my method. Obviously, I got some bald spots going on, which I definitely will need some work on, I would say. So in the following clips, you will see me parting my hair. You will start from the outward eyebrow, and then part on both sides. I use that as my guide. And then after that, we're going to be doing the next section.
Love&hip. More than sound.
More than sound. elderq.com.
Once you have your hair parted, you're going to take some Eco Style gel or some edge control and place it down onto the hair so that it's nice and smooth and laid and slayed. You're going to place either a rubber band or you could use a hair tie. I used a rubber band on this section because it was so small, but you can also use any like hair bands that you would like to do.
More than sound. elderq.com.
And then yet again, I'm going to go ahead with the next section and place that gel in there. I kind of like my sides to swoop up. You can lay baby hairs, but it's supposed to be a clean look, so I wouldn't recommend it. And then, yeah, so just keep watching. I'm going to smooth it out, first with a comb to place it where I want it. And then I'm going to go ahead and use my smoothing brush. And that is it.
elderq.
For this section, I did use a hair tie because it was a lot thicker. I wanted it to be tighter so that way it has more of a sleek look. As you can see in the future clips, I'm actually going to be using more gel and also smoothing it out because there was some streaks. And make sure that your parts are straight. I promise on my clients, my parts are not this bad. It's just hard for me to part my hair, and I don't have a second mirror, so that's what it is. As you can see with this top section, I like to brush down and then the front part I like to brush it up. That way when you place the synthetic hair on there, it's gonna lay more on the forehead. So you'll see me just tighten it with a hair tie, and then after this you will see me lay it down with a silk head wrap, and then I leave it on for 10 minutes, and then we will go ahead and add the synthetic braiding hair on there and get the look. So this is where I noticed that I had those, like I would say, balding spots or streaks that I'm speaking on. I did go ahead and add that extra gel and brush it so that it was more smooth. And then I'm gonna place some hairspray on there and then use the silk wrap.
More than sound. LDQ.com.
Alrighty, we are at that 10-minute mark when I take the scarf off. All you're gonna do is you're gonna place the braiding hair onto each bun, and you will see in the clips. First, I'm gonna go ahead and spray it with my sheen spray, and then all you do is you take the middle of the braiding hair, which is separated by that rubber band on the top. It will come like that. You're just gonna go ahead and wrap it on the bun and then separate it into two, and then also take each of the two sections and split those in half and twist them, as you will see in the next clips.
More than sound. LDQ.com.
Alrighty, so I got both of the two front braids done. I'm gonna take black hair. You can do any color. You can use any kind of braiding hair. I just like two-tone for when I do this hairstyle. You can do all black, you can do all burgundy. It really doesn't matter. You're gonna use the same rubber band method. Use it on the middle part because that smaller section in the back will be hidden. Again, twist the rubber band onto there and then section it into two sections, and then you're gonna twist those two sections.
More than sound, only on LDQ.com.
Now all you're gonna do is place the bottom part into the braid so that it's not like sticking out. Take the bottom and just ravel it up and place it where you want it. Yesterday I did it more towards the side, and today it kind of ended up being on the top. Use those bobby pins to pin them in place. You can fix anything with the bobby pin. Just make sure to slick it down to the way that you want it. As you will see, I kind of start molding it on there, and you're going to do the same exact thing for the second part. Twist that bottom part into the actual braiding hair and pin it towards the middle top. As you can see, I place it up a little higher so that it makes a better shape. And like I say, you can fix everything with the bobby pins, as you will see me do. And then you'll see me do the back the same exact way. I'm gonna take the bottom, ravel it up, and shape the way that I want my hair to look.
Dark Q.
More than sound. elderq.com.
Dirty.
And voila, there you have it. Make sure to click subscribe and like it on my Instagram and follow me. As you can see, it's Flagger ENT, and thank you for tuning in. Until next time.
Dirty.